So you had mentioned earlier that data was a centralized piece of this. So, we have it migrated, we're getting some cost savings, a lot of flexibility, a lot of elasticity. How does it help with the data problem?
Yeah, one big trend that we are observing is that customers are one of the first steps after the migration is to build a data lake on the cloud. A data lake, for those that are not familiar with the term, is a large repository of unstructured data that might come from different systems like your WMS, your TMS, your booking portal, and so on. And this data can be stored in a very cost-efficient way on the cloud, and then they can be processed to normalize them, to increase the quality of the data itself. And after that, you start the so-called ETL jobs, where you extract, transform, and load data into specific workloads, which can be analytics, advanced analytics, visualization, and so on. In a nutshell, what you achieve is concentrating data in a very cost-effective manner, which implies also increasing the security of the data and regulating the access to the data. Second, you achieve a normalization of the data, so you create a structure of the data, and then you extract actionable insight, you extract actionable information from the data, and you turn raw data into something that can be used for your organization to take better decisions. And this can come in the form of visuals, so business intelligence, and can also be used to train machine learning algorithms and create a predictive and prescriptive analytics that is going to tell you what's going to happen in the future, or is going to prescribe what is the best path of action for your operational decisions, for instance.
Yeah, and I remember I saw a company once that actually built it to let them know when something was not going the way that they planned to. So that's another use case that I remember seeing being like, hey, alert me if this isn't working the way that I think it is, if the market doesn't work the way that I think it does, or that I'm building my business around. So it's really helpful.